Two similar figures are such that one is an enlargement of the other. In this particular example, Blobby comes in 8 centimetre and 10 centimetre sizes, but they are similar figures because one is an enlargement of the other one. Two facts to remember are scale factor for areas is scale factor for lengths squared, scale factor of volumes, scale factor of lengths cubed. How do you find the scale factor for the lengths? Well, easily enough, all you do is you divide the bigger of the two corresponding lengths by the smaller. These two are the corresponding lengths, so you do 10 divided by 8, which the calculator will tell you is 5/4. We want the surface area of B, which is equal to the surface area of A, 200. Because we're going from smaller shape to bigger shape, we multiply by the scale factor for the lengths squared. Stick that into the calculator. So we've got 200 times by open brackets 5/4 close brackets squared equals, gives us that, if we want it as a decimal, press the SD button, 312.5 centimetres squared. Same idea for the volume, but we're going from the big shape to the smaller shape. So rather than multiplying by the scale factor, we'll be dividing, and rather than times by the scale factor for length squared, because it's a volume, it'll be cubed we're dealing with. So the volume we're after, so the volume of A is equal to the volume of B, which was 500 centimetres cubed, divided by the scale factor for the lengths cubed. And again, it's just a case of sticking that all into the calculator. So what we've got, 500 divided by, in brackets, we've got 5/4. Cube button is there, press equals, and it's 256 centimetres cubed. Oh, thanks. Telling me. Two figures are similar if one is an enlargement of the other. In this case here, we have two blobbies. This one is an enlargement of this one. They're similar figures. The things to remember: scale factor for the areas, scale factor for the length squared, scale factor for the volumes, scale factor for the length cubed. How do you find the scale factor? Well, all you do is you divide the corresponding lengths. So the scale factor for the lengths is equal to 10 divided by 8, which is 5/4. Then to find the surface area of B, so the surface area of B is equal to the surface area of A multiplied by this scale factor squared. Because we're going from smaller to bigger, it's multiplied. So it's 200 times by 5/4 squared. Put that into the calculator, so delete that. We've got 200 times by, in brackets, 5/4 close bracket squared. Press equals, we get that fraction there. Press SD to see it as a decimal, 312.5 centimetres squared. Same idea for the volume of B, but what we have to do, for the volume of A. But because we're going from the bigger to the smaller, rather than multiplying, we're going to be dividing, because it's volumes, rather than 5/4 squared, 5/4 cubed. So we're doing 500 divided by 5/4 cubed. Again, just a case of sticking that in the calculator, so 500 divided by 5/4, cube buttons up there, cubed, press equals, and we get a whole number this time, 256 centimetres cubed.